Hey, Mignonette here with your down and dirty garden tip. My tip for you today is check to see if your potted plants are root bound. Now, root bound is another garden jargon term that basically describes when roots are like outgrowing their growing space. When the roots begin to stick out of the bottom of the pot and then wrap around the plant, that means that your plant is root bound and it needs to be repotted immediately. The reason why this is not good for your plant is because these roots will eventually strangle and choke the life out of your plant. And so your plant is letting you know that it wants to move on to a bigger space. Not only is it just going to make your plant happier and healthier, but if you're growing food, you're going to get a better harvest. If this garden tip is helpful, head over to Amphy. Go do it right now. Sign up for my gardening classes so I can be part of your gardening journey. Happy growing.